Touch Me Please introduces the snoring strips. The best way to stop snoring is with nasal strips for better breathing. Used to effectively recover the weak muscles from its original main activities and improve sleep disorders caused by nasal congestion. Temporarily reduce or alleviate snoring with self-adhesive strips that stick tightly as well as offer comfort. Relieve symptoms such as sleep apnea caused by congested airway between lungs, snoring and others. The nasal strips by Touch Me Please. Top quality product.